Alright guys, so back with the Cougar motor, which I think looks really good. These plug wires routed and ran and everything. Yesterday we were going to prime the oil system, but we did not have enough oil. So we ordered oil and we have that in. And we also have our new dipstick tube, which is painted. So we'll get that put in too. So I'll put in some oil, try to do this with one hand. Yeah, I can't do that with one hand. But yeah, we'll put in some oil. And yeah, tomorrow morning we will prime the oil pump and stab the distributor. Whatever. Everything nice and painted. Our distributor, hold down, tie down, whatever you want to call it. And then maybe tomorrow, maybe, don't quote me, we'll get the carburetor on. Which I don't know if we showed you, but that came in. Just maybe, not sure. We'll continue dressing though. We'll get all our lines done and our fittings and get our, oh, he did get that in. Nice. We'll work on our fuel line. Okay, so yeah, if we're gonna work on our fuel line, we should probably get the carburetor on. So yeah, we'll just continue dressing it. Play with brackets. That's another thing. We gotta, because the brackets, when I went to the machine shop, all the bolts were just put in one box. So I gotta go find the right bolt, which is not fun. We have brackets and pulleys over there too. So yeah, it's kind of just a game of where the hell did that go? So yeah, that's it for today. Just a quick little update here. And we will get back to you guys tomorrow.